Okay guys, this first piece I'm just showing you where I have it stored in the office space. I purchased two very large 40 by 60 canvases from Ross, the artisan canvas. These were $19.99 each. Check out your local Ross because a lot of times they will beat out Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. They're normally located in the back. And this is the gallery wall where I plan to hang the artwork. And as you see here, I've already applied the poster art to the canvases. And this is the picture lights that I ordered from Amazon. Very inexpensive and very easy to operate and put together. Everything you need comes in the kit. You have the light, the USB cord, you have the plate, screws, and the 3M sticker if you want to really adhere it. And here they are. I've already assembled them. And I used the rays from the lamp there to get an extra guide as to exactly where I wanted them to lay. And here they are. Now for me, I'm not done. My family says it is because they like it this way. I personally plan to build a frame and/or place gold accents around the sides of it just to make it pop a little bit better. Sound off in the comments what you think. Do you like it like this, more modern feel, or would you like to see it framed out? This was very inexpensive to do, you guys, and well worth the time and the little money that I did spend. The wallpaper art itself, I ordered that from Moren Decor. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm really curious. Do you like it or do you not? You guys stay woke, stay prayed up, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm back.